Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I'm excited to show you something blooming here in the garden center today, and that's the Agapanthus, or lily of the Nile. It's a beautiful blue bloomer, stands out above its strap leaves here. It likes to bloom mid-spring through the summer. It can take some hot temperatures, although it would appreciate a little bit of a break in the day from the full sun. These stand out in the back of a flower bed really well. As a matter of fact, this one's going home with me this week to stand out into my garden, and I'm excited about that. It likes well-drained soil, but it doesn't want to sit in any moist soil. You don't want it to be too soggy, as the plant will not appreciate all that water. But again, look how tall this flower stands up above these leaves. So it's a great pollinator attractor. It's a great attractor for your yard. It just stands out, and it's just a strong, beautiful plant to add to your garden.